The screen shows still on the way down but the cutting torch already walking. That's it. Let's show it to you again. Troubleshooting methods. F4 parameter setting. F3 arc pressure detection in plasma cutting, choose it, then it will be OK. Let me show you again. The torch goes down and it does not move and locate successfully. Let me show you again, start. The torch goes down but it not move already be solved. Generally, the positioning method is to first drop the torch and touch the steel plate. Then set the height through the positioning height to lift the recovery arc. Arcing through the perforated delay. Perforated delay finished, then it can walk now. Below we demonstrate how to continue cutting if there is a sudden power failure during flame cutting or plasma cutting. Here are the samples that are set up for plasma cutting. The plasma cutting torch start to cut now. Let's simulate the power outage. After the CNC system is powered off, the system is black. Reconnect the power and wait for the power on. In the welcome interface, press any key to enter the main interface. Do not press the delete key, because the delete key will delete the graphic. After entering the main interface, press F7 to manually move the car, then press F7 to power off or restore. Then the system enters the cutting interface, and the cross cursor will also move to the position before the power is cut off. Press the start button to start cutting. This function is more practical. After booting, press twice F7 to restore the position before the power is cut off.